Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the McDonald's in Poland. Before installation, hard-scale deposits on the hot water heater reduced efficiency and increased heating costs. After installing the Vulcan 3000, the existing scale began breaking down within days. Within 3 months, all scale deposits were completely removed, and there was no sign of new deposits forming. The Vulcan 3000 system has improved the efficiency of the hot water heater, reduced maintenance needs, and lowered heating costs, providing a reliable and effective solution for the restaurant. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.